Now that the part is fully constrained, we can create a solid. Simply exit the sketch, and remember your isometric view. We're looking at a top view of this part. Okay. Now we're going to take that profile, it's already highlighted in the tree, and we go to a tab on the top left corner called Feature. So you simply select the tab Feature and it gets you out of the sketch workbench options. And the most common one we use is an Extrude. So I'm simply going to grab that, and I like to reverse the directions. So I'm going to hit this reverse direction here, and I'm going to make it a 1/2 inch thick and hit this green check mark, which is like OK in CATIA. So I hit this green check mark and it makes the solid. I click off the part and you can see that it's shading it right now. Remember, we have all these different shade options. Try each one of those just for fun. Remember, we have the ISO view, fit all in. And my favorite is this image here. Then you can practice zooming on an area and fit all in to bring it back out. Zoom in this area. Whoa. Accidentally clicked on the part itself. It doesn't like that. I'm going to zoom on this area. Fit all in. Zoom area. Again, it doesn't like it when you zoom area and you click in on the part. You got to just be a little slower when I'm doing that. Okay, so again, the first button fits it all into the screen so you can see everything. And this one here, zoom area, allows you to zoom in real close to a part. There's, whoops, zoom area. With that gray, it's active. I can create a little rectangle and get close to this end. With this still active, I can get even closer. I can get even closer and even closer. As long as I keep making rectangles, it just gets closer and closer to that area I'm zooming up on. So I'm real close to that corner. I can see the corner. Fantastic. Fit all in, brings it all back in. The other thing I want you to try and practice is putting your cursor on the middle of the part and using your red or middle button, scroll button, to zoom in and out. Zooming in and zooming out. Okay, let's zoom in, then zoom out. Zoom in way over here. Look what it did. What do I do to get it back? Fit all in. We'll bring it right back to the screen. Okay, so that's your zooming in and out commands. I like to be right on the part when I use my scroll button to zoom in. Just keep it on the part. It'll keep it in the center of the screen. Wherever you're zooming is where it's going to center it. Also, use your control button. So notice I put my cursor off the part. I'm going to hold the control button, click and hold the red button and slide it a little bit, and then you can release the control button on the keyboard while leaving the middle button depressed. As long as you see the blue arrows pointing up and down and side to side, that's the pan icon. It's going to allow you to move the part side to side, up and down. Okay, and then also try to rotate. Just hold the red button down and move it. It'll let you rotate so you can see the top and the bottom. Okay, zoom in closer, and then see if you can use your pan button if you need to. Pan things down, and then while it's zoomed in real close, I'm going to use my pan button to move this over. I'm going to hold the red, careful not to click on the part. I'm just going to try and come over here and rotate. Okay, so it's rotating around this part. And again, when I get all cockeyed, I just go back to my restart, which is your isometric view, and I'll put it right back here. Alright, that's how you build your part and practice your zooming in and out from the lessons learned in the very first video.